Which statement is correct? Mixtures have fixed composition. Mixtures are pure and variable. Mixtures are variable. All pure. Answer is C. Milk is a pure substance, compound, mixture, element. Answer is C, mixture. Homogeneous mixtures are uniform, non-uniform, visible, or unstable. Answer is a uniform. Heterogeneous mixtures have uniform, single phase, different parts, no particles. Answer C. Which of the following is heterogeneous? Air, salt solution, oil and water, vinegar. Answer C. Why alloy is considered as mixture? Alloys are mixtures of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. Cannot be separated into individual components by physical methods. It shows the properties of its constituents and can have variable composition. None of the above. Answer C. Brass is an alloy of zinc and copper, zinc and nickel, aluminium and nickel, zinc and bronze. Answer option A, zinc and copper. A solution is heterogeneous, homogeneous suspension colloid. Answer is option B, homogeneous. A solution can be liquid, solid, gas, all of the above. Answer is option D. What is a solvent in solution? The component which dissolves the other component in it. The component of the solution which is dissolved. Mostly major component of the solution. Options A and C both. Answer is option D.
What are the states of dispersing medium and dispersed phase of aerosol colloid? Gas and gas. Solid and gas, gas and liquid or solid. Answer is option D, gas and liquid or solid. For emulsion, the medium and phase are liquid and gas, solid and gas, liquid and liquid, liquid and solid. Answer is option C, liquid and liquid. Change of state is which type of change? Chemical change, physical change, no change, both physical and chemical change. Answer is option B, physical change. Chemical change produces same property substance, new substance, change in chemical properties. Both B and C. Answer is option D, both B and C. Burning of candle involves physical change, chemical change, both physical and chemical change. No change. Answer is option C, both physical and chemical change. Term element is first used by Robert Boyle, Antoine Laurent Lavoisier, John Dalton, Democritus. Answer is option A. Robert Boyle. What is ductility? Making into thin sheets, makes ringing sounds when hit, making into thin wires, luster property. Answer is option C. Making into thin wires. What is malleability? Making into thin sheets, makes ringing sounds when hit, making into thin wires, luster property. Answer is option A. Making into thin sheets. Sonorous is a property of metals, non-metals, metalloids, none of the above. Answer is option A. Metals. Name the elements which are liquid at room temperature. Mercury only, mercury and bromine, none, boron and mercury. Answer is option B. Mercury and bromine. Examples of metalloids are germanium, silicon, boron, all of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above.
Compounds have no fixed proportion, having two or more chemical elements, B and C. Answer is option D. Both B and C. Which of the following is a difference between mixture and compound? Variable composition and fixed composition. As properties of constituents, a new property not constituent. Easy separation and separation only by chemical or electrochemical reaction. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. Which of the following is correct? Matter can be classified into mixture and pure substance. Pure substance can be classified into compounds and elements. Mixtures can be classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. What is solute? Dissolves others, gets dissolved, minor component of solution both A and C. Answer option D. What are the solvent and solute in tincture iodine? Water and iodine, alcohol and iodine, iodine and iodine, iodine and alcohol. Answer option B. Which of the following are the properties of a solution? Homogeneous solution. Particles smaller than 1 nanometer and hence do not scatter the light. Cannot be separated by filtration. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. At a fixed temperature, the classification of solution into saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated depend on the amount of solute present in a solution, amount of solvent, depends on total solution, pressure. Answer is option the amount of solute present in a solution. What is suspension? Homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Dispersion of solid and gas or liquid. Both B and C. The answer is option D. Both B and C. Which of the following are the properties of a suspension? The particles of a suspension scatter a beam of light, make its path visible. If left undisturbed, it is unstable. Solute particles settles at bottom and can be separated. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. colloids are pure, homogeneous, heterogeneous elements? Answer is option C, heterogeneous. Properties of colloid are cannot be filtered, stable, can scatter the passing light. All of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Colloids can be separated by filtration, evaporation, centrifugation, distillation. Answer is option C, centrifugation. Tyndall effect can be observed in sunlight passing through canopy of dense forest via mist, a fine beam of light entering through a small hole via dust or smoke, scattering of light by the particles of dust and smoke in the air. All of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above.